Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here for day 4 of Vlogtober. For those of you who have been with me the entire way, thank you so very much for all of your support. I truly appreciate it. For those of you that are new here and just jumping on board, let me tell you just a little bit about what we're doing really quickly. I have teamed up with Suzy over at Suzy's Health Journey, and we are doing a Vlogtober weekly challenge, which means each week during the month of October we are doing a new challenge. It is not too late for you to give me some new ideas for weeks 2, 3, and 4. So if you have something you would like to work on, something weight loss wise, something personal, any type of growth in any area of life, if there's a way that we can support you or you would like to challenge yourself to make it a routine part of your life, feel free to leave those down in the comment for us and we will add you to the drawing. Or Suzy does have a Facebook page which is called Suzy's Health Journey, and you guys are more than welcome to head over that way and leave your suggestions as well. I will link Suzy's Facebook page and her YouTube channel down below. So go check out the Facebook page. You're going to find a fantastic, really fun support group over there. And on Suzy's YouTube channel, if you're not already subscribed, guys, you're missing out. So hurry up and get over there and check it out. So for this week, we are sharing our favorite motivational or inspirational quote. Each day, we're supposed to share something for you. You guys can leave it down in the comments, or again, you can go over to Suzy's Facebook page. And as for me, I am sharing an affirmator. Guys, if you don't already know, basically these are affirmators with a twist or a little bit of chaos thrown in. We've had some really good ones so far, and I am really excited to see what today's is. I could use some motivation. I tell you what, it has been a true old-fashioned Monday. Woo! Patients were feisty today, and you know, every call that I got, I swear, it just couldn't be a simple yes or no or this is the way it is. It had to be a freaking brain fryer. So, hopefully our affirmator for today will have some good motivation and inspiration, because I might need it to go back tomorrow. We will see. Alrighty, so I'm throwing stuff. Hold on. Here's our deck of cards. This does come with 50 cards. I'm just going to take the next card off of the top, and our word is perseverance. I can kind of already tell that it is going to be fitting, but let me put on my reading goggles so I can make sure I get all this correct for you. Sorry about the glare. I say it every video. Perseverance. It seems you're on a massive journey right now, and this card has arrived to remind you that you will reach the other side. The mountain you're climbing is huge and formidable, but so is your ability to climb it. You don't need to enjoy it, you just need to tackle it. Complain if it makes the job easier. Blow off steam. You think mountain climbers get to the top of Everest on inspirational quotes? No way. They're grunting and crying and cursing like freaking pirates. That just doesn't sell a lot of posters. So it took me a second to catch on to what they were saying there, but they obviously sell a lot more posters of inspirational quotes than they do people grunting and crying. So this fits, guys. Our journey, whatever that journey is, and today I'm needing some motivation for my work life. It's not meant to be easy. It is not, but we have been equipped with the tools and the knowledge and the strength to get through it. And that doesn't mean that we have to do it by ourselves either. Sometimes we have to draw strength from other people and from our friends and our family in order to accomplish our task. But the point is, guys, we can do it. If you need to vent, you need to vent. That's what friends are for. And I'm learning that. I'm learning that there is a big difference between venting and just letting stuff out and blowing off steam versus being a completely negative, rotten person, which is how I feel when I have something to complain about. But it's normal. Being upset and frustrated is a normal, healthy emotion, and it is a stepping tool that we can use to reach our goal. What do you guys think? Where are some areas in your life where you're feeling like maybe the journey needs to be a little bit easier than it is, and you're grunting and groaning and trying to get to the top? Where can we support you guys? Let me know. All right, guys, True Monday fashion. I am exhausted. I've got a boat ton of family stuff I have to do, so I will not keep you much longer. Again, our word was perseverance. We got this. I'm going to lean on you guys because I know you will hold me up and get me through it, and you all can lean on me. I will help you get through it too. As always, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. If you're not a member of my family, guys, I would love to have you. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. We are working to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.